Hey everybody, welcome to the T Logan. I just wanted to say it is hot as Hades out here still. It's in the evening and it's still hot, but I wanted to show you guys a quick process on how we compost our food and how it turns into dirt. And I know you're like, how does that work? Well, I'm going to show you real quick, and here's my helper. Everybody say,
oh, mommy, hi.
All right, this is my helper. He's going to show you a demonstration on how we use our composting bin. Okay, so if you've never seen, okay, here's my other, no, say hi. Yes, that's my other helper. So what we're gonna do is show you the process on how we're gonna turn this food right here into what we call black magic, right? And that's what you would use to be able to plant your food, right? Which is also known as soil. So we've been doing this for over 4 years, and I just hope that my videos are helpful to you guys. For those of you who are new gardeners, welcome. For those of you who are master gardeners, welcome, because we can all learn something together, and I just thought that it would be befitting to show you how it works. So let me show you what I'm doing. So this is what you do. Wait. You would take this, take the latch, unlock it, right, on both sides. And what you do is you lift it up and you pour your food in. Now, after you do that, you latch it. This one is not going to work, but it's fine. Go ahead and latch the other side. Latch it. So he's putting the latch on. He's latching it. Okay, it's a little hard. So look, hold on one second. We're having little problems here. All right, here we go. Oh, ho. Hold on. And I wanted to say this. You have to make sure that everything is good at the top so that it can latch, okay? So now we're gonna do it again. Third time's the charm. All right, hold on. All right, boom. And both sides will look like that, and so will these sides. So it's two sides, all right? So after he put the food in, we put the food in, this is what you do. You hear that dirt turning? And you got to be strong. You got to have some muscles to come out here and what you're doing is you're aerating it so that you're turning the food. And every time you put food in here, you're going to turn it. And this is what that turn looks like. And you keep turning and you keep turning. Just go around one more time because you're mixing everything up. Instead of you going out there, taking your pitchfork and turning it, you're gonna go ahead. All right, you could one more time. So thank you for that, AJ. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it up a little bit more because I don't want this stuff to come out the other way. Yeah, so this is what it's gonna look like. All right, there we go. And sometimes nets will come out, but look at that. This is what your black magic will look like, okay? After you turn it and keep turning it. And see, we kind of let this one, hold on, at the top. We've been going, we've been going to the other composting. But I just thought this was a cool process to show you guys what it looked like. And I'm going to tell you this composting is not for the faint of heart. You must have muscles to be able to turn this thing. So see, this is what it looks like for those of you who have never seen this process before. And it turns into dirt just like that. And it disintegrates over a period of time. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. I just thought this would be a good process for you guys to see. Bye for now.